Ferry APOLLO in trouble again, Canada. Ferry APOLLO is in trouble again, after hitting pier at Matane, St. Lawrence River at the mouth of the Matane River, Canada, at around 2100 lt Mar 16. Stern ramp was damaged, ferry developed visible STB list, and was banned from scheduled sailings. On Mar 17, ferry was at Matane, undergoing inspection and damage assessment. APOLLO collided with port structure at Godbout just 3 weeks earlier. Ferry hold, banned from sailings, St. Lawrence River. February 25, 2019. Ferry APOLLO connecting Matane, Baie-Comeau and Godbout, St. Lawrence River, Canada, suffered a hole 1 × 2 meters size in the hull, in a collision with unidentified port structure in the morning February 25, in Godbout. All scheduled trips were cancelled. Ferry remained berthed in Godbout, to be surveyed and repaired. Passenger ro-ro ship APOLLO, IMO 7,006,314, GT 6,609, built 1970, flag Canada, operator Quebec STQ.